decided to do another video because this little nerd here likes to go and then run around and pop back out, and he always looks so pretty when he comes out. He strikes such a handsome pose all the time. Right, mister? He's a handsome boy. Hey, my baby girl. Here he goes, here he goes. He's gonna go off to the side and then pop back out. Do something. No, he's not gonna do it this time. Chloe, down here, mamas. Chloe, this way. Good girl. There's a baby boy. Yeah, I stopped walking, so you came to me instead of being cute when you popped out of the woods. I had to cut the last video because I had to do poopy patrol. Nice to go, puppies. This way. Good girl. Okay, so now he's not going to do it. Oh well. He sound like a couple of steam cleaners. Crazy kids. Even when you can't see them on the camera, you can probably still hear them. There's my little madman. My little crazy man. Go ahead, go get the water. Go ahead. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, water, water, water. Where'd he go? Where's Tyson? There he is. Look at that handsome face. That handsome boy. Tyson! Tyson! Who's your good boy? Chloe! Chloe! Oh, pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl.